Good afternoon, good evening, good morning to you. My name is Jason, and this is Painfully Honest Tech, the place where you can get all the painfully honest tech information that you want. Today is a day of glory, a day of wonder. It is iPhone day, and so I went out and I got an iPhone. This is a 256 gigabyte deep purple iPhone 14 Pro Max. And yeah, so I'm gonna get it out of the box. I'm gonna set it up. I guess there's an eSIM in here. What is an eSIM? You want to know? An eSIM is a SIM that is electronic. It is not a little chip that you put in there. You can't put a chip in this anymore. You can't do it. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this to send my number over to this like this. Through the ether. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. So we're going to see. We're going to see. Irregardless, yeah, it's iPhone. It's got it's got a unibrow. It's got a unibrow. It's got an eye. It's got what are they calling it? A dynamic island. Actually, that's the one and only feature of this iPhone that I'm excited about at all. Because this iPhone is like, hey, it's an iPhone. It's got an A16 processor in it. It's got more than 12 megapixels on the camera. More megapixels always means more bacon. I don't know. It always means something. So let's just go ahead and get this thing out of the box. Unceremoniously ripping off these terrible little tabs that don't make any sounds, and so you don't get any sexual pleasure from doing it, but boom, there it is. Deep purple. Bum, bum, bum. Is that Deep Purple? Yeah, that's Deep Purple, right? Did you know that song is about Deep Purple was recording a record in France, and across the lake, Frank Zappa was also recording a record, and somehow or another Frank Zappa set his castle where he was recording on fire, and so smoke on the water. Right. So that's that. But this is Deep Purple. To the camera, does it look purple? I don't know. It is a darker purple, which I'm actually happy with, because I would prefer a darker purple than a lighter purple. It's an understated purple. It's deep purple. So, take this thing off, and here we have the iPhone on all of its glory. Here we have the, what is this? Lightning. What are you talking about? Lightning to USB-C. We've got a tiny little packet. It's got one Apple sticker. It's got an iPhone. You no longer need a physical SIM card to activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com/eSIM, unless you don't have any other way to access the internet other than your smartphone. And then you are screwed. The pooch is screwed. The pooch is screwed. So, here we have it. What do you want me to say? It is a new iPhone. It is like the old iPhone. It has an iOS 16 on it, which has some other stuff. I really don't know. You tell me what you want to know, and I'll tell you what I find out. Otherwise, it's just an iPhone. It's just an iPhone. Nobody complains about the gigantic camera lump. You know, if I were a dermatologist and I saw a patient come in with this on his or her back, I would recommend a biopsy. That's what I would recommend, a biopsy. That's big. It weighs down the phone. I like the purple color. I'm gonna do a comparison with this, the iPhone. The Galaxy Fold 4. Yes, Galaxy Fold 4. Galaxy Fold 4 iPhone. Now it wants me to transfer my number, but it's my wife's number, and that's not the number I want to transfer. So let me know what questions you have about the iPhone down there in the comments below. Thanks so much for being here once again. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Subscribe, button pressing, doing the things. Until the next time, I'm out.